little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw a beautiful rainbow stair. Grab your black marker and let's start drawing. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, draw 2 parallel zigzag lines. These will be the steps. Now, connect all the corners with horizontal lines to complete the stairs. Let's add a railing to our stairs. Draw some pillars on one side. Connect them with a horizontal bar on top.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Time to color. Here are the colors we will use. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Pink color. Rose red color. Awesome! Your rainbow stair looks so colorful and bright. Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.